Hello everyone. So we are done with arguments for and against corporate social responsibility, which is very important for 10 marks or 15 marks. So with that, chances of asking another question is reality of corporate social responsibility. Okay. So what is the reality of corporate social responsibility? It's nothing but why corporate social responsibilities are done. It's a different viewpoint. The first point is threat of public regulations. Companies Act 2013 says each and every company should perform the corporate social responsibility activities and they should invest minimum of 2% of their preceding 3 years average net profit. Correct? So that is public regulations. So that is the regulation which is given by the government itself. So because of that, the corporate social responsibilities are performed by the companies. Then pressure of labor movement. See, the labors are very important component of one particular company. If the labors are not provided a proper infrastructure, not provided a safety needs, then they will move for some of other companies. Is it? So that is what called attrition. So attrition rate should be 60% or less than that. Okay, that is the standard. 60% is in the BPO companies. Okay, so other 40% they are going to retain in the companies and the 60% they can allow to go for some other companies. So the corporate social responsibility activities will help you to retain your laborers in the company. This is also one of the reasons why corporate social responsibilities are performed by the companies. Impact of the consumer consciousness. So consumer consciousness is improving right now. Consumers know what is the effect of the company, what type of products they are producing, where they are dumping their wastages, what is the effect of that wastages, is there any bad effect to the society and environment, those all things. Correct? So if they want to create some good feeling or the trust in the minds of the customers, then corporate social responsibility is one of the way. So that's why companies are performing the corporate social responsibility activities. Then development of social standard for the business. The society is inseparable part of the business. Do you agree? Yes, definitely that is inseparable one. So in the society itself, there should be some good working environment for the business. Correct? Through social responsibility activities, some of the social standard is created. So that is how the business are going to survive for the long term in the society. For example, if your company is a water purifying company, then first create some awareness about the cleanliness of the water in the minds of the customers. Correct? You should create that one. Then only you can promote your products. Through corporate social responsibility activities, this is possible. Understood? Then development of business educations. So through corporate social responsibility, business education can be developed. For example, any company is there in one particular region, about that company you should educate your surroundings because it helps to increase your reputation. Is it? So if a company is performing CSR activities, then indirectly you are going to educate them through these particular activities. Correct? So that is why companies are performing the CSR activities. Then relationship between a social interest and business interest. See, the social interest and the business interest has the direct relationships. Both should go hand in hand. So that is what called win-win situation. You should achieve the business objective too, and you should achieve the social objective too, society's objective too. So through corporate social responsibility activities, this is possible. So nowadays the CSR activities what are there, that is not mere a charity or donations, that is treated as strategy. So companies are doing the CSR activities nowadays as a strategy, not just as a charity or donations. Okay. So by CSR activities, you can achieve the business interest too and social interest too. Then development of a professional and managerial class. So through CSR activities, you can achieve the professional development and even the managerial development. How? The development of managerial class is like you are going to create some good opinions in the minds of the customers. If any conflict arises, then you might have some public supports. So you can manage the problems very easily. So that is how the managerial class is developed. In other viewpoint is through corporate social responsibility, the employees or the management skills would develop. Correct? So the professional class is almost it is similar. The company can become more and more professional because of the corporate social responsibilities. So that's it for today's class. In the coming classes, we are going to speak about the kinds of corporate social responsibility.